Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for ways to step up your dental game, today's review might just have what you're looking for. We're diving into the Spinbrush Smart Clean Value Pack, a handy little upgrade to your everyday toothbrush. And trust me, this isn't just any brush. It's an electric one that promises to take your plaque-busting, stain-fighting tooth cleaning routine to the next level. Now, we all know how important it is to maintain a solid oral hygiene routine, but finding the right tool to get the job done can be a bit tricky. So let's break down exactly what this pack brings to the table. The Spinbrush Smart Clean Value Pack includes 2 battery-powered toothbrush handles and 4 replaceable brush heads, along with 2 AA batteries to get you started. A solid start, right? But what makes this particular toothbrush stand out is its ability to clean deeper than a manual brush, reaching those hard-to-get spots between your teeth. And it claims to reduce surface stains by 50% after just 1 week when used with your regular toothpaste. What's interesting here is the design. The toothbrush has soft, triple-sided bristles that are specially designed to get in between teeth and scrub away plaque. Plus, the split head design helps moderate the pressure applied, so it's gentle on your gums while still being tough on stains and plaque. You're not just getting a standard brushing experience, you're getting a more efficient, deeper clean. Another cool feature is the built-in 30-second pacer that pulses to let you know when it's time to move to the next quadrant of your mouth. Plus, it shuts off automatically after 2 minutes. Talk about a seamless experience. Now, let's talk about the real-world testing. I incorporated the Spinbrush into my routine for about a week, and I've got to say, the convenience of having an electric toothbrush is undeniable. The brush head moves so smoothly and really makes brushing feel more thorough compared to manual brushing. My teeth definitely felt cleaner, especially in those tricky areas along the gum line. And after a week, I noticed a reduction in surface stains. There are some cons, of course. The biggest one for me was that it's not as powerful as some of the higher-end electric toothbrushes out there. So if you're looking for a heavy-duty, super high-powered option, this may not be it. Also, the fact that it runs on batteries instead of being rechargeable might be a deal-breaker for some, as you'll need to replace them more frequently. But when we weigh everything out, the price, the performance, and the ease of use, the Spinbrush Smart Clean still offers great value. At its price point, it delivers a solid clean and convenient features without breaking the bank. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to alternatives, if you're looking for a rechargeable electric toothbrush with more features, there are options like the Oral-B Pro 1000 or Philips Sonicare that might be worth checking out. However, those can come with a higher price tag, so if you want something affordable and reliable, the Spinbrush is a solid option. Now, I haven't had direct experience with the brand's customer service, but Spinbrush is well known for being easy to reach for any product-related issues. Their reputation for handling inquiries and providing solutions has generally been positive. To wrap it all up, the Spinbrush Smart Clean Value Pack is a great option if you're after a reliable, no-fuss electric toothbrush that gets the job done without a hefty price tag. It's easy to use, gentle on your teeth and gums, and provides solid plaque removal and stain reduction. If you're someone who needs a simple yet effective electric toothbrush, this could be a great choice. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase it is in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.